Hello everyone, welcome again. This is your guy Felix Blaze. Today we are going to create something. Something, yeah, I think so. We are going to create happy. Oh, what word? Eid Mubarak. I don't know how to pronounce it well, but my Muslim brothers, forgive me, okay? Eid Mubarak. That's what we are going to create. So if you are here and you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. This video is very short. We are going to finish it within the shortest time as possible. That much I do. Let's start. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to import a picture, okay, for the background. Then I'm going to add a text. So I'll go here for my picture, or let's say a background, okay. So I'll look for a background of this festival. All right. So this is the background. Then I'll bring this one here, something like this. Okay. Then I'll create a solid background. Then I'll sample this area. I'll sample this area so that it matches with that one. So we have this. Now what we are going to do next is to take away this writing there. Eid Mubarak. I don't know. Please. I don't know if it is correct. Eid Mubarak. The Eid Fitr Festival. Okay. So what we are going to do right now is to go for our part 2. Okay, this is the part 2. Then select this region. Okay, then we need to convert this one. So we need to rasterize this layer so that we can use the part 2. Then sample any area. Okay, so by the help of content aware fill, this is going to pick the source here to remove that. You get a point. So I have parted. No one will see that there was something like that. We are done with the first step. What our next step, we need to add our text. So go for the text. Then I will write a message. Okay. So if it is a company, then I will urge you to add a company logo and then the name of the company. So we do it that way. Yeah, so that way too can be better. So we can bring in some company logo. Okay, so let's use learn Photoshop. Okay, so I'll choose this logo with white background, the learn Photoshop logo with white background. I'm just going back, don't worry, it seems I have rotated this, so let me rotate it again. Control T, rotate it anti-clockwise or counterclockwise, then tilt this one small like this. Okay, then place it here. So because the background is white, it looks like they are matching, but when you zoom out, let's see if they are truly matching. You can see they are, yeah, matching, but not all that much. So we can remove the background of this logo. So you go to your properties and then go to convert to layers. From here, enter, then remove the background. So the background is removed. Okay, but it looks like this place background has removed this place. So I'll zoom in to make some changes to that place. Okay, so I'm going to select this region, and then I'll set this one to black, then backspace, fill it. Sorry. So select this area, backspace. Okay, fill it. Then we can zoom out again. Alright, so that's my logo there. So Learn Photoshop is wishing every Muslim on this channel happy Eid Mubarak. Okay, so let me transform my, then you add the text and then your logo. You are free to go. So you just follow along with these tutorials and everything will be okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the name of the company. So I'll write the name of the company. So the name of the company is actually it's not, it's a channel, YouTube channel. So Learn Photoshop, this channel. So do well and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so that I will do more videos for you guys. So Learn Photoshop. Okay, I'll select all like this. Then the color, we need to make the color match. You know me, I like using one color stuff. You get it? So I use this one. Then the text, we can bold it with black. And you know my font too. I like using one font throughout my work. Okay, so I'll just transform this as well. Transform this and Photoshop. Yeah, small one. Okay. So we just need to position this one maybe in the middle like this. Then let's place our logo on top. Okay, something like this. Then we are going to say Learn Photoshop wishes all Muslims. So let's create another text content. All Muslim. So we can write it this way. Then black is quite cool, so we can use black color here. And then change the font to a script. Okay, I like using this area and then script for my work. Okay, browse for brush scripts empty and download it online. Okay, so script is too big for me, so I'm going for 18. All right, this is not bad. So Learn Photoshop wishes okay, all Muslims, everybody, all Muslims. If you are now watching this video, it means and you're a Muslim, I wish you Eid Mubarak. Okay, so from here we can add the message. So Control J, then we can add our message here. So our message has already been typed. Okay, I'll paste it here. Okay, so I can bring it down small like this. The text is too hard for me, so I have to maybe use regular. This is quite okay. And then use this one like smooth. Okay. Then I'll write the Eid Mubarak here. Okay. Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Now with this one we can make the text black. Nice. Like this. Eid Mubarak is too big, so we can do the size. Yeah, very simple like this one. Then you are done. You can go on and add more things to it. Okay, so this is the very simple one you can create. You can add a picture to it. You can place a picture in here, whatever you want, so that you are done with that. So this is a very simple way to create it. There are a lot of background over there. Go in, fetch it, and then use it for your work. If you want, where if you need more, you can go to this website. Free pick, please. A disclaimer: I'm not promoting it. I'm just recommending it for you. So if you think you want to use it, you can go there and then download some background. Freepix.com or Pinterest. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this tutorials. My name is Felix. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well for me. Do well, hit the subscribe button, and let's move on with Photoshop. Bye.